ज़रूरी नहीं है कि कोई अगर बैकवर्ड एरिया से है, कोई विलेज वाले एरिया से है, तो उसके पास डेवलपमेंट पहुंच पाए, राइट। इसीलिए हैंड्स ऑन एजुकेशन। Hello students, welcome back to Pathshala classes. This is Shashwat Dubey, one of the faculty members of Pathshala classes, and today we are going to discuss who has been conferred with this Rohini Nayyar prize. What is this prize all about? On whose name this particular prize is conferred? And what are the other details related to this particular prize that we are going to discuss in the forthcoming slides. So please stay connected throughout. Anil Pradhan has been honored with the Rohini Nayyar Prize for the year 2024. Who is Mr. Anil Pradhan? Anil Pradhan has been awarded the prestigious Rohini Nayyar Prize for the year 2024, as already said, recognizing his impactful contributions to rural development. ये देखिए, ये आपका है बेसिस रूरल डेवलपमेंट, जिसके बेसिस पे इनको मिला है अवार्ड. Known for his dedication to empowering rural communities, Pradhan's work has brought positive change and opportunities to underserved areas or backward areas. As far as the background is concerned, the Rohini Nayyar Prize honors young leaders under 40 making notable. देखिए, एज क्राइटेरिया जो है इसका वो अंडर 40 years होना चाहिए to be eligible for this particular award. This notable contribution with regard to the rural development, this prize is always given, this award is always given. The rural development in India, you know, is very slow and stunted. और आज भी बहुत सारे बैकवर्ड एरियाज है जहां पर टेक्नोलॉजिकल, देखिए बहुत सारे ग्राउंड्स हैं जहां पे देखिएगा टेक्नोलॉजी लैग कर रहा है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एफिशिएंसी नहीं है, साइंस एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल ग्रोथ नहीं है, एंड मेनी अदर लाइक स्पोर्ट्स. It includes all other trade and economy. And since India being a developing country, it has not been given the status of a developed country as of yet. अभी तक नहीं मिला है ये स्टेटस डेवलप्ड कंट्री का, which means India has got a slow growth, right, with regard to the overall development that I have already discussed right now. As far as the background of this award is concerned, the Rohini Nayyar Prize honors young leaders under age 40, already said, who has made notable contribution with regard to the rural development. It was established in memory of Miss Rohini Nayyar. Now, who is this Miss Rohini Nayyar that we will see? She was a famous economist as well as former IAS officer who has served in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The award also includes a cash prize. अब देखिए ये अवार्ड में क्या क्या चीजें होती है. The very first thing, cash prize of rupees 10 lakh plus a citation and lastly a trophy. Who is Mr. Pradhan? Anil Pradhan is a co-founder of the Young Tinker Foundation, who has received the Rohini Nayyar Prize for his work in STEM education for underserved communities. Underserved communities as in those communities which are very backward, जिन पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज एकदम नहीं आ रही है, तो टेक्नोलॉजी और जितने भी अपडेटेड टेक्नोलॉजिकल और डेवलपमेंट हैं उन सब से वंचित है, वो सब उनके तक नहीं पहुंच पा रही है. उनके तक ये पहुंचाना करने का काम इन्होंने किया, इन्होंने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया, बिकॉज ऑफ विच द गवर्नमेंट हैज कन्फर्ड हिम विद द रोहिणी नैयर प्राइज. Also that Pradhan is a 28-year guy who is an engineer by profession. He also serves as an educationist and he hails from Baral village, which is in the state of Odisha. He is dedicated to providing hands-on STEM education to rural students, encouraging innovations and problem-solving skills. Now, what is this STEM education? STEM education stands for M stands for mathematics, E stands for engineering, T stands for technology, S stands for science. The Young Tinker Foundation initiatives. What are these initiatives that has been included? The very first being the Young Tinker Foundation is a non-profit organization. Please note, it is a non-profit organization focusing on science, technology, engineering and mathematics. ये मैंने देखिए आपको पहले ही बता दिया. STEM एजुकेशन क्या है इस पर्टिकुलर फाउंडेशन के हिसाब से, जो एब्रिविएटेड फॉर्म में यूज होता है एज STEM. It gives a environment and facility with regard to innovation and creativity which has to be in consonance with 3D printing like robotics and hands-on learning in subjects like tools and materials that are used for 3D mechanism. Main यही motive है इसका, for development and innovation, creating using available tools and materials with the techniques for allowing hands-on learning in subjects like robotics and 3D printing. It is a mobile lab initiative, thus bringing STEM education to remote rural areas because students cannot avail stationaries, right? जरूरी नहीं है कि कोई अगर बैकवर्ड एरिया से है, विलेज वाले एरिया से है, तो उसके पास डेवलपमेंट पहुंच पाए, राइट? इसीलिए हैंड्स ऑन एजुकेशन के लिए मोबाइल लैब इनिशिएटिव ये इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया है, विच इज द इनिशिएटिव बाय द यंग टिंकर फाउंडेशन. As far as the expansion and impact of this particular initiative is concerned, originally it focused in the Pradhan's home village, that is Odisha. The foundation has now expanded to Telangana, Odisha, obviously, and lastly, Tamil Nadu. Pradhan aims to change perceptions about rural life and farming, challenging the stereotypes about poverty and farming in villages. The presentation of the award, जब इनको अवार्ड कन्फर किया जा रहा था, उससे रिलेटेड डिटेल्स क्या क्या है जो कि करंट अफेयर सेक्शन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है. Pradhan was presented with the award by Mr. R.A. Mashelkar, who is a renowned scientist and former Director General of CSIR. Also that during the conferring of award event, Pradhan emphasized the need to redefine narratives around rural communities, especially those who are poverty stricken. Now, what is the legacy of Rohini Nayyar? Rohini Nayyar, in whose memory this particular award is given, has made significant contributions in addressing poverty, specifically in rural areas. Also that this award is generally conferred to the people who are poor by background, obviously, as in the person who has addressed the grievance like poverty and who has also prioritized the rural development. रूरल डेवलपमेंट के लिए अगर किसी ने कुछ भी कोशिश करी है तो ये अवार्ड उसको कन्फर किया जा सकता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू मशेलकर, नैयर अप्रोच पॉवर्टी इन अ फंडामेंटली डिफरेंट वे. मिस नैयर जो थी, एज ऑलरेडी डिस्कस, फॉर्मर आईएएस ऑफिसर इन द स्टेट ऑफ यूपी, जिनके नाम पे दिया जाता है ये अवार्ड, उनके काफी कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस रहे थे विथ रिगार्ड टू एड्रेसिंग ऑफ द ग्रीवेंसेस ऑफ द पीपल which who are poverty stricken and who are underserved. So that's all for today. Stay connected with Pathshala classes by subscribing to the YouTube channel of Pathshala classes for regular updates. You can also stay tuned to the Telegram channel of Pathshala classes for your easy and expedient doubt redressal and getting access to free study materials for your preparation in CLAT and LA 2024. Thank you so much for connecting with us.